If you're familiar with social media these days, then you are also aware that Pinterest is where the money is now. So after watching this video, I am convinced that you will just head right to Pinterest and start getting things right. You can access Pinterest and this free AI tool anywhere in the world as long as you're Planet Earth, you can access it for free. So yeah, that is what we are going to be talking about on today's video. How you can make money on Pinterest. So I want to take away from start to finish because you don't want to miss out on anything. But before we get into this video, I want to show you two examples of how this thing works so you can get an insight of what we are going to be getting into on today's video. So this account of Pinterest is getting over 10 million monthly views with almost 100,000 followers, and all they do is to post any food recipe for different occasions, and the owner of this account is not even showing his or her face. And this other account talks about self-development, and they have more than 10 million monthly views, and they are faceless as well. I mean, you don't even have to have 10 million monthly views, okay? But you can have a decent amount of views and still make a huge amount of money from Pinterest. As you can see, all they do is to have a catchy and detailed design. And when you click on that design, when you just click on that design, it will direct you to a page where you can read the article that they posted. Just like you searching for recipe, for maybe pancake recipe or pork recipe, and it directs you to a website where you can read how to make it. As long as you click on it for free, right? They are making money. And that is what you will be doing on today's video. Firstly, how do you get actual money credited in your account if you're using Pinterest? So what you're going to do is to come over here to this KIT app that allow you to create a store with different affiliate link. You don't have to have a physical product for you to create a store since you want to affiliate for Pinterest, right? Create a new kit over here. That is you creating your own store. This is actually my store, but you can create your store from scratch. Just go to kit.com and just sign up and create your store. It will show you the option. Just search for a product that align with your Pinterest account that you are creating. If you want to create the best camera to use, the best so and so on, just any niche that you want to use. If it's self-development, if it's art, if it's entertainment, any niche that you want to use. But my niche is actually gadget related. So it will give you a different option to choose from directly from Amazon and add to your account. So if someone comes from your Pinterest account and click on your Pinterest link, for example, let's say I put um how to get the best ring light or how to get the best camera for shooting on my Pinterest account, or maybe someone just go to search that kind of stuff on Pinterest and they actually came across my account, they click on it, it will direct them to my KIC store. And if they purchase a product or if you just read through the article, it just depends on your niche. You will get a amount of money credited into your account. So after adding product, come over to this section that says edit profile. It will take you to a page that says monetize social. Click on the link and add your Amazon Associates ID. If you have an Amazon account already, then it is actually easier. You can find your tracking ID inside your Amazon affiliate account. You know how to create an Amazon affiliate account, right? When you go to amazonaffiliate.com, you just create an account for yourself. You'll be able to see your tracking ID inside your Amazon affiliate account just by the right top corner. So this is my tracking ID. You'll find yours here as well. And if Amazon is not available in your country, some people in Nigeria they actually have this issue of Amazon affiliate program. If Amazon is not available in your country, no problem. We are going to use another option, which is Clickbank instead. You don't need to actually have an Amazon account for you to use Clickbank, because Clickbank is also an affiliate website where you can earn money, just like the kit you are going to use. If you don't have the Amazon account, just use Clickbank instead. If you not demand for any Amazon link for any Amazon IG from you. So just click on start. It will allow you to promote product anywhere from the world. So now that you have a store where you can affiliate or you have an affiliate platform, the next thing you want to do is to go to ChatGPT, type to something like this. This resonates with my niche, so this is what I'm going to be using. So ChatGPT will provide you an example of what you can choose from. Have it in mind that you have to put yourself in the shoes of your customer, people that want to use you have to promote what people need, right? What people currently need. You don't have to just post any random thing. I want to say is that those two channels that will make use as an example in the beginning of this video, which is the healthy food recipe, the self-development, and my own self, which is gadgets, which is futuristic gadgets. We are actually solving a problem, right? What people need, what people are searching for, what people are interested in. So at that back of the mind that these are the three important steps that you want to take into consideration. If you want to choose the niche, you have to choose what is trending. You have to choose what has trended before. So when you have a niche chosen from this, ask ChatGPT to provide you 10 blog article ideas in your niche. This is mine, so let us use mine as an example. After providing ideas, I'll just copy this and head over to SEO Writing AI. SEO Writing AI tool. So just head over to SEO Writing AI. I already have an account, so I'm just going to just log in. What this tool does is to generate a blog post for you. SEO Writing AI will generate title, will generate blog post for you that you can use. So click on one click quote, then input what you copied from ChatGPT. Click on generate title, add AI image, at least one YouTube video, and these are the keywords that we are going to rank for. So after this, it will create an article for you. Just create an article for yourself. So now that you have your affiliate link with Kits, which is the Amazon, or with Clickbank, and now that you know how to generate an article which is using ChatGPT and SEO here, right? So now what you are going to do after generating a blog post from SEO writing, now you're going to go to Medium app where you can post article for free and get paid for it. So after creating an account on Medium, click on write and then go back and copy the entire article that you generated from SEO writing. You can just paste that on your notes before anything. After you've posted the article, then upload an AI generated image here. You can ask for ChatGPT to generate a call to action for you. So now go to your Kit Store or your Clickbank to get your affiliate link from there and copy the link inside your Medium app. After posting the article and you go to your Clickbank or your Kit Store, get your link and copy it to your Medium app. Then go to your Medium accounts and highlight your call to action that you just got from ChatGPT and it sets your link. After you've generated your article from the SEO writing and you come to your Medium app, pasted the article, you go and take your affiliate link from either the Clickbank or the Kits app that you got from Amazon. Carry that your link and copy it into your call to action. So just click on publish and then select a topic and publish now to Medium. After that, you can just publish to Medium. So that stuff that you just generated from Medium, you go back to your Pinterest account. After you've created a Pinterest account for yourself, you've created a bio, you let people know what you are doing there on Pinterest for. Then just paste it to your Pinterest account so that when someone clicks through your Pinterest, it will direct them automatically to your Medium account where they can read article and you can get paid. And in order for you to generate a catchy cover design on your Pinterest account, you can do that on Canva. Go to Canva and search for Pinterest templates, customize to any color that you want. You can have a signature color that people will know you with. You might want to make use of red signature color that people will know that okay, this is so person. Or you can just make use of colors, anyone that you want. So that brings us right into the end of this video. I hope that I am getting as possible and I hope that you gain a value also. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video to anyone that needs to see it. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.